Welcome back, everybody. We're going to do another gun review today. We've actually got the Kahr CW series out here today. It's a series of pistols that Kahr makes. They're all American made. Polymer frame, stainless steel slide, standard rifling in the barrel, full length guide rod, double action only. Pretty much your typical fare that you'd expect for this type of gun. One of the things that I like about it a lot is that it's got a nice slim profile to it. Very usable sights, real nice overall weight to it and everything like that. We've got two models here. One of them's a CW9 and we have the CW45 on top. Both guns feed from a single stack magazine. They both hold 7 rounds. You can see the profiles of the guns are very similar in terms of weight and overall size. It really just comes down to preference and what you're looking for. The 9mm is a nice light recoiling setup, very accurate. The 45 is also relatively accurate, but of course, you know, you're going to get a little bit more recoil. For some people, they may not prefer that. In addition to the 9mm and the 45, they also make the CW series in a 40. Kahr also makes a small 380 striker fired pistol, but it's not in the CW series. I believe that's the PM series, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, we see we've got a nice spread here. Right under the 5 ring we had a cluster of 9mm print, and then the lower cluster is a 45 ACP. What was the point of aim on that 45? The bottom of the ring?
Bottom of the ring, same with the 9.
So that's good practical accuracy.
Not bad.
For a carry gun, that's definitely acceptable. There you go. I really like this Kahr CW9. It's a wonderful setup, very slim profile to it. The sights acquire very quickly. The trigger's decent. I'm not a big fan of a double action only like this, just because of the length of travel in the trigger so far. I will go ahead and film this from a few different directions so you can see how everything's functioning. It does shoot low. It shoot low for you?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, CW9, Chad, having a second go on it.
Getting a little bit more used to that trigger. It is real long.
That gun's got a real nice feel to it, doesn't it?
It does once you get used to it.
Sure. All right, we've been shooting the 45 a little bit along with the 9mm. The gun runs great, got a wonderful profile to it, fits the hand perfect. Both of them have excellent triggers. I like the trigger on the 45 a little bit better. It's just got a wonderful setup to it. CW45.
7-shot.
What do you think about that?
I like this better than the 9. The trigger's definitely a lot better.
Yeah.
Oh!
There you go. How about one of the 2 right there?